Yo, 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 yo. Hello, hello, hello. I didn't even realize the music wasn't working the whole time. That's annoying. Let's go to settings. Well, hopefully it works now anyway, so. Let's hop over here. Chat. There we go. Back over to me. Okay, 1 second. Let's have a look what's going on the chart. Right then. So today we've got Governor Bailey talking at 10:15. So let's have a look there. So there you go. So looking here, we've got basically 10:15. You got a speech by Governor Bailey. That's Tuesday. Today is just a bank holiday. Right. Okay. Okay. And then we got Powell speaking at 1:30. Okay, let's go over to. What's blue mean? I forgot what blue means. That must be speeches. Right, okay. Yeah, okay. So there's not much going on today, so price action might be a bit lackluster. That's fine. Okay, so we got the next supply zone, which is relevant is this one. So, in short from there, potentially, because the price tapped into come down. So yeah, okay, might be able to short from there, but let's go on to here. See. So we've actually got a channel here. So the build up here, and then we had an inducement here, and then we broke structure here. So that's fine. We had that there. So buying is still quite a strong possibility. So buying is still quite likely. This zone's going to be invalid. It's just going to give a reaction and then get taken out. So it's better that I lean on being bullish still. I think that might be better. Go to here. So you have to wait to see what happens here, because you got 8 o'clock around the corner. We need price to respect this zone and break structure for us to look for shorts. Otherwise, this could just be a build-up extension, which is a signal for a reversal. If price did a build-up, set the low, then broke the high, then we could say buy from that zone. But from this price action here, I would have expected price to come lower. Bit of a tricky one, that. Bit of a tricky one. Keep an eye on this. Doesn't get rid of Forex factory because there's a bank holiday for yen today, so I don't really need to do much on that. That makes sense. and I've tapped back into that demand zone anyway. So let's just wait and see what happens. So basically, we've got a build up here, yeah. Obviously, after an inducement there or a sweep there, then I got to build up. Then I had a huge push outwards, which normally signals to me a reversal, but it just kept going. So the only zone I could think of that could have a potential something occurring is here, but we'll have to wait for confirmation. Like, there's no guarantee of anything. Just have to be patient on it and just see what happens. Yeah, I'll just change that to M5 just to refine it. Because all I'm seeing here is just a channel and then a bit of a pullback and then once again a continuation. So yeah, I can get rid of this one and then keep this as liquidity that needs to get basically taken. And then let's go to the M1. Ooh, no, not that. M1. You could do that as well, right? So build up, inducement, continuation. So far it's still looking like there's going to be movement to the upside, and unless I get a break of this low. So let's go to M2, high low, high low, higher high. So I need price to break this low to give me any sense of price action doing a potential reversal. So let's put an alert. Back there. And obviously if it doesn't, it's fine. It's going to keep going and I'm alright with that. Let's go mark out the whole zone as a supply zone. Why not? Go to about 10-15. Then you can refine it. Probably want to refine it to about here. Yeah. That to me looks like the zone I want to refine it to, actually. Yeah. Man, am I tired.
Hello, hi, how are you?
So that zone failed. The price came in, gave a reaction, knocked that zone out completely, which is perfect. That's what I wanted to see. And then from here, seeing a build up, price pull back. I'm your fan. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás, amiga? Te extraño mucho. ¿Te extraña? Wait. Te extraña. Sí, te extraña mucho, mucho del chucho. ¿Dónde has estado? Que estamos aprendiendo trading. Sí. Estamos aprendiendo trading. Yeah. I do trading. Pero muy difícil. Pero muy difícil. Sí. Yeah. Teach me. Oh, teach me. Pero lama. I'm using hello talk translation. La mayoría de la gente fala. pero pero es tan difícil, pero la gente no puede manejar la pérdida de dinero, ¿sí? ¿Esa noche? Ok. Espera. Translation, espera. Espera. Record. Sí, gracias. I like the music. It's so relaxed. Okay, so noche. I have to type the word in Spanish to understand. Very chill. I like. Me too. Me gusta music relaxation. Mi español mierda. Lo siento, mi español muy mierda. Oh, Fibonacci. Sí. Talking English is okay. Gracias. Gracias. Pero me gusta español, pero muy difícil. And I don't have a Spanish teacher. I just have Spanish friends who teach me like some words, you know. No. This is just showing a build-up of a channel. What are you doing, Ailu? ¿Cómo estás?
No matter what kind of work your team
YouTube.
Asana can help
¿Por qué adverts?
from project intake to
¿Por qué
campaign management
adverts?
to strategic planning and more.
1 second. Un momento, por favor. Okay, there. Oh, Ailey, do me favor, like the video.
In Gaza, the humanitarian...
Price keeps going more and more and more. Highlight. So what time is it in Argentina? Oh, 4 a.m. Oh, wow. So there would have been a short right here, man. The high. Oh, okay. So if I was to have shorted from here, I would have missed that anyway. I would have missed that. Would have been break even really fast, I guess. But that's too late anyway. Wait. So we have a high low, let to a high, let to a high low, let to a high. Then we had a higher low, to a lower high, that led to a low. So now we can potentially short, but then price tapped into this demand zone. So I don't like that. So I want price to come down, break this zone, and then I can take a sell. Por favor. So even on the M1 it tapped into the demand zone really, man. So it's not even worth risking it and taking a short, is it? Because then price is just continuing bullish. The high low led to a high, led to a high low, led to a lower high. So I'd want to see price break. Suppose we could just drag that all the way over. Oh, that'd be easier. I like the ching sound. So EU whacked that zone. Not sure why. I should keep that, shouldn't I? EU whacked that zone. It was only 13 or something, anyway, so it wasn't that harsh of a loss. Yeah, the loss wasn't that bad actually. That's okay. So EU was like, nope, I'm not having it. Now if it comes down, I want price to come here and respect this. Because this might be a sweep into here to come down. So I'd need to see price rejecting here on EU for the short to still be valid on GU. But I was already tagged me in on GU actually. Okay. That's annoying, isn't it? I'm gonna go for it. Oh. Well, it's tagged on GU on that account, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens now. That happened relatively quickly. Did it trigger on the other accounts? Have a look. Yup. It has. That's fine. So let's just keep an eye on the balance then. I don't know if I should enter in on this or not. I don't think I should because prices are already tapped the zone. I can't short that now. It's needed to break those lows so I can go break even on it. Because I'm on, it triggered on my other account. Because I set the limit on there, I didn't set the limit on here, then I wasn't paying attention, it just quickly wicked up and took that zone, didn't it? So, oh no. Let's have a look here. I need to just push down a bit more. Yeah, there you go. It should hover around here for about a few minutes and then drop. So we'll see what happens. It's either going to go through the zone or if it's going to come down and, you know, be the right move of the day. we are yet to see. I'm sat here talking to myself. So basically I took a L. I took a break even on the ACG account, and then obviously I took the trade here in front of you guys from here, from this order block, and then obviously that got taken out relatively quickly, so it is what it is. So technically one break even and one loss. The break even was the trade to take. Is that both of them, or to do both? No, it doesn't let me. Let's get rid of the price labels. So obviously that made sense. That did. This is what gave me confidence to take the shorts in this. If you're looking at here, price tapped in, gave a reaction, gave a break even really quick. But yeah, when I took it on the other accounts, obviously I thought it makes sense that it's gonna break again and then come back and do order flow. So I thought, because it's done it here and here and here, and now it's gonna do it again here. But obviously that was the third, fourth time, wasn't it? So it's okay, no problem.
See, I'm finna go.
Yo, he did an 8-3. Well done. Sorry, cost off. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade now because I've took well, one on that account, one on here. Yeah, I'll probably wait now and just observe price action. Price may want to come up higher. That's what I'm thinking. Price may want to go up higher. It was valid to take that trade though. It's complete, and obviously the break even covered it anyway on that one account, or those couple accounts. Sorry. That was weird. I kept flashing on the screen. Okay, so GJ's a little choppy, isn't it? Price is struggling to break that high, isn't it? Just sit, wait and see. We're seeing a divergence on EU and GU, aren't we? Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro seems to be weaker than GBP today. Oh well. I think I'm gonna cut the stream early just because I've already taken kind of 2 trades, so I'm not gonna really look for another one. Looks like we're almost an hour and a half, hour and 20 minutes into London session now. And we still haven't picked direction. We haven't picked a direction yet. We haven't taken this high yet. Well, this high here. I'm expecting this zone to fail from this price action. So yeah, 926, 927 is when it whacked the zone. So I was wrong on that. Definitely was wrong on that zone. That zone's probably the better one to sell from, but it came in there, it gave the reaction, it gave everything, so it is what it is. As I said, the initial trade on the ACG account that got triggered, it was valid to go break even and stuff. So as I said, it comes straight in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. 7th minute it dropped down, broke all that structure. So yeah, man, it's valid. It's just me taking that trade wasn't a really good idea, but it made sense because it's still part of the trading plan. If it breaks structure and creates a supply zone, price pull back into it could be classed as a continuation, so it's a valid setup. The only thing was I didn't take it, I didn't set the limit on this account here. I set it on the other one, so if I set on it, it would have been a break-even trade anyway, so I would have saved myself from my loss by not taking the second one. But it is what it is. It's one of those things that happens on M1. You just gotta accept it. Nothing more, nothing less. Sells might be valid from that supply zone. But I won't take it just because of my trading plan. Now we're seeing the volume come in. Look at that. Look at that. Whee. I'm really tempted to, because that zone's valid. I'm very much tempted because that zone's valid. Tell me when you're here, innit, Alan? And then I'll show you the trade. Yo, so basically, yeah, I was on the M15 on GU. I seen price swept 1, 2, 3, 4 relatively equal lows, and then after that, price was, you know, moving bullish in it. And I seen this supply zone here as well, which is about 22 pips away, yeah. So I went to M5 and I looked at structures, build up here, yeah. So this was like a channel in it. So I thought obviously that needs to get taken at some point. There's a build up there, pullback. That means continuation. If this did a pullback, then I would have bought in it. That's one of my criteria for buying, but it didn't. It just ran bullish, yeah. So here we got another build up. We had a pullback. We had a build up. We had a pullback. We had then we had tapped into supply zone. Now I thought it's valid to sell because remember my data talks about pip volume movement in GU in it, yeah. Normally about 15 to 20 pips, and then you get the reversal. So it met the criteria of pip movement, and then I went down to M2. And then with M2, ठीक है जो. So then obviously in M2 you can see build up, pullback, continuation, build up, pullback, continuation. But then I seen that as a structure point. So we made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Higher low, lower high, lower low. You could have shorted it from there, but I just didn't trust that. It just felt a bit sketchy. So high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. But this supply zone wouldn't have got tapped anyway, so that you would have got missed there. So low, lower high. Then here it broke structure, and this was the most recent supply zone that broke structure. I was looking at this zone here because you could easily say that if price tapped into this zone, the trade's invalid in it. So I was looking at that zone, and even on M2, but on M5 it did touch it there, but I just look at M1, M2, and then on M2, even if you like hover it a bit, it's still kind of like, I don't know, it wasn't like an invalidation yet. So price come back in and then it tagged in here. This is where the account triggered it. Let me show you in it. So let me share the account terminal there. So here's the account, yeah. So if I go on to M1, just ignore this, it triggered here, yeah, which was this candle right here, this literal candle right here, yeah. So I had the limit set on this. I literally had the limit set. So it triggered here. My SL was, so this is my entry and here's my SL that is still in the place, yeah. There's it triggered. When it broke structure, then I brought it to just over break even to cover commissions in it. So if you look at that now, it's literally £0.0 because I covered it bang on the dot with commissions because I've got this in it. So it's like a lot size calculator, and it allows you to set limits and stuff like that on MetaTrader in on the computer. It's really good, you know. So that obviously was a break-even trade. And I took it on eurusd. eurusd I took a L. That was because the same zone, everything, price come and it hit it hard, and then it gave a reaction. That reaction is what I call divergence in it. between EU and GU. So you look at the, see how on here you had that. So you had that supply zone there, which got missed again. You would have got missed on there. Then you had this one here. You would have so that break structure there. So here it tapped into the zone, but that was after this took the zone and started giving bearish reaction. So that made me think, okay, I'm gonna take it. So I took 1 L on EU on the Quantecal accounts, but I did half risk. I split the risk in it. So instead of doing 0.25% risk, I did 0.12 on EU, 0.12 on GU. So I did EU loss really small, GU break even, no problem. And then on the other accounts, I took it from the second zone here, innit? Because you can see it broke structure here. This was the most recent supply that's valid. The only so that's pretty much what the trade was. I've only got £700 left on this account, but minor, innit? We know ACG's a bit dead. Did you get all of that? Yeah, to be honest, I'm not bothered because it's according to plan anyway. And the only thing was that I didn't get triggered on there. That was a valid setup on EU, completely valid on EU. So I would have took that regardless, bro. And then I seen EU, GU, and I was like, yeah, we might as well take it, innit? You know what I mean? So I took it. I wouldn't have taken partials though, because I would have wanted more from the partials, innit? And then I realized that because you have this zone over here, this zone, have you got any nice dead day today? Look, I'll show you in it. 1 second. YouTube. I'll go to here. I'll go to Forex Factory. So look at that. There's no news. It's just bank holiday for the yen in it. Yeah, CAD. Yeah, so obviously I've got Swiss, Euro, GBP, Yen, USD in it. So in terms of that yellow, there's yellow folder. There might be news events, but I don't look at yellow folder in it. Yellow folder. Yeah, even yellow. There's nothing on yellow either. Look, there's not really. Look, see nothing in it. So yeah, dead day today. So yeah, minor in it. It is what it is. Because you got power speech tomorrow. Yeah, but it's not like a big speech or anything. It's not a big speech. Why is it showing this when trading views? The terminal isn't even open. That's funny still. There. So yeah, I mean, the speech about Powell, I don't know what it's about in it, but obviously I drew this zone out. Yeah, but this zone was 40 pips away in it, so I didn't expect price to go all the way that far. Whereas the invalid zone was more valid because it gave a 20 pip movement, so it makes sense that price is going to reverse from there, innit? Might do bits, to be honest. He might address Trump rumors and stuff. Maybe actually, I think this is the first one, isn't it? The first one after the statement that Trump made, innit? So maybe, but you know what he says a lot of the time though? He says a lot of the time, I'm just doing my job, I'm not bothered. Literally, he says it bare, bro. So now I'm thinking maybe we got huge fair value gaps there. If we get a breaker structure here and stuff, I'm thinking, should I take another potential stab at this? I need price to break this low, innit? Good evening, SL hit. Yeah, it's good afternoon, isn't it? Good afternoon. It's good afternoon is what he says. But yeah, I'm just looking at this zone now, thinking if this might be valid, innit? So yeah, GU just broke that actually. But GU's stronger than EU today, so I don't think I want to short GU. I think if I'm going to short, I'm going to want to short EU. High low led to high high, led to high low, led to a lower high, led to that low being broken. Where would the supply zone even be? Yeah, there. I'll probably just sit that out, but even if it goes, I'll probably just sit it out in it. Because you got on this here, you've got EU going higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. Yeah, it's not looking that clear, is it? If you've gone 2 minutes, high low, high high, higher low. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. But look at the price action though, Alan, is a bit dead. From London, yeah, for the first hour, it was literally 12 pips, bro. Let me do it from here. So 12 pips. And it was literally chopping around for 1.5 hours, bro. Look at that. That is such bad price action. I was literally like, what the hell is this? What's going on here, man? Ain't nothing happening. And then EU was the same as well, about 1.5 hours. Yeah, and then it started to move. So EU and G were really bad today. And the yen was bad. And GBPCHF was bad. I don't know if this is summer price action or not. I'm not too sure. This one I'm a bit skeptical in it about summer price action. That's why last year I didn't trade summer, if you remember. I told you in it. Bro, dear, look at that candle. See, price action's been a bit weird, man. And even on GJ, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 relatively equal highs on GJ. So I'm just waiting for GJ to come swipe them and then take a short in it, but it's just not giving anything. Alan, is this how price action was last summer? Because I remember it being bad, but I wasn't really trading the charts. But is this how it was last summer? Because this is bad. I think it's a summer problem. But yeah, I'm gonna probably end the stream anyway, Alan. I'll probably just give you a call if that's alright. Because I'm about done anyway, innit? Yeah, man, shout you. Alright. So I'll call you in like 2 minutes then. I'll just end the stream, innit? Thanks everyone, like, share, subscribe. Appreciate it. To anyone who came. Alan, obviously, thank you.